Jennifer, my God, that was like fantastic entry.
Oh my God.
Did you actually get inspired by somebody? मतलब किसी को देखकर कि यार मुझे this is how I'm going to do.
No, you know, that's the thing. When this role was narrated to me, I don't think anybody on TV, especially a female actor, has had such a powerful character. Entry to, but the character is so powerful that I was like, oh my God, I have to do this, you know. And not the whole, I mean, a lot of the credit goes to this man here who believed in me from the word go. Like, I went to meet him and we'd actually met for something else, but then he said, no, you know, I have something in mind for you. And I'm like, of course. And it's his belief, it's his motivation that really, really encourages me to push the envelope a little bit further, you know. So thank you, Mr. Danish Khan. I owe this one to you. Thank you so much. Mr. Mehta, our producers, they've given me this brilliant opportunity. In my 16 years of career, I have never boxed anybody and my hands are still swollen. We were shooting last night and I had to do a boxing sequence. That was a first time for me in 16 years. So oh gosh, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed to have been given this opportunity where I get to showcase my little talent that I have, and the belief that, you know, all of these guys have in me just encourages me so much. Thank you so much.
You said 16 years?
Yeah, man.
You look 16.
Yeah, well, yeah, thank you. That credit goes to my mom.
Okay, I have to tell you, मेरे दिमाग में ये सवाल आ रहा था कि did you have to unlearn something?
I did. You know, it was very difficult. And Amita and all of us, you know, the first scene that we shot, the office scene. So when I was reading, we did it in, you know, a particular way, like how we used to doing it. And then Amita is like, Jen, too much ho gaya. I said, itse kam kya karu main? Matlab, you know, because she speaks through her eyes. She'll just say one line and you have to understand what it is. And if you don't understand, she's going to take your case. You know, so she has to express everything, but use very, very few words. So I had to unlearn a lot. I had to, like, literally, Amita used to tell me, haath bandh kar rakh apne, haath bandh kar rakh, because my hands keep doing this and, you know, all of that. So I literally had to unlearn everything that I have done so far. And, you know, he keeps saying that when you're shooting, you're still in your character.
She's unlearned smile also.
I stopped talking to people. So before I start my day, I actually have to go into a zone and just, you know, just make these walls around me. Like Maya has these walls around her. You know, nobody can break those walls. When Arjun will break those walls,
break soon.
We'll see. But yeah, I really have to go into my zone and just, you know, keep everybody out and then be Maya. It's so challenging, but it is so fun. I've never done something like this, and I really, really hope that people accept it, understand it, and give it बेहद love.
आपने इस किरदार को बखूबी निभाया, बहुत अच्छा निभाया।
Thank you so much. Thank you.
तो इसके लिए आपने क्या-क्या प्रैक्टिस की थी शूटिंग के लिए और कितनी फिल्में देखी थी?
जी, ये मैं और जो हमारी शो की क्रिएटिव है अमिता और तभी एक और कोई हमारे साथ था। हम एक दूसरे को फिल्म्स भेजते रहते थे कि ये देख लो या यू नो वॉच दिस एंड गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय दिस। सो वो मैं अभी भी करती हूँ बिकॉज ये कैरेक्टर बहुत ही इंटेंस और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कैरेक्टर है, बहुत ही थिन लाइन है जो हम क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहते और उसके लिए टू गेट द बॉडी लैंग्वेज राइट, टू गेट the dialogue delivery right and keeping in mind our Indian audiences, वो सब करने के लिए बहुत सारी फिल्में देखी मैंने और अभी भी देखती हूँ। कहीं से भी कुछ मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये माया ऐसे बैठना चाहिए या ऐसे हाथ होने चाहिए या कुछ, तो वो मैं ले लेती हूँ और कोशिश करती हूँ अपनी तरीके से उसे करने की।
श्रीदेवी की लाडला देखी थी आपने? अनिल कपूर श्रीदेवी?
उतना इंडियन नहीं जाना है हमको।
नहीं, आपका कैरेक्टर काफ़ी मिलता है उससे।
नहीं, आप आगे जैसे थोड़ा देखते जाएंगे उससे काफ़ी अलग है।
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then do
I'm a very lazy actress, sir.
Then do one Saraswati Chandra.
Yes.
After that again we had to wait.
Yes.
तरसेंगे आपको देखने के लिए.
How sweet.
So how you have this strategy of getting into the right kind of roles?
I'm just very lazy, sir. I'm very, very lazy. I like to take some time off. No, actually, the thing is that, you know, all the roles that I've done till now have, you know, only added feathers to my cap. So I make it a point that whatever I do keeps, you know, that continues to happen. So after Saraswati Chandra, I didn't want to take up something that, you know, I'd been doing for so long. And so I waited. I also needed, like I said, I've been working for 16 years. I need a break. So I took a break.
And when you got this offer,
Yeah.
did you readily accept it or you had some?
Oh no, I remember the meeting that we had in Mr. Mehta's office. We finished the meeting, me and my manager Rajiv came down and we were outside the car. We were talking outside the car and I'm like, Rajiv, I have to do this. I do care about the money, but I don't care about the money. I have to do this. I have to do this. So it was yes from the beginning.
Any workshop you did to get into the role?
We were planning to do a workshop, but unfortunately, we didn't have the time to do that. But yes, I did see a lot of movies, and I did see a lot of international TV shows. And like I said, I still keep seeing things, and if something catches my eye that would look good on Maya, I try to adapt it in my way.
Thank you.
Thank you. What viewers can expect, see, like you saw, there is drama in the show, there is thriller, there is suspense, there's romance, there's love. So it's a complete package of entertainment. And I think this is what, if you see TV today, we have a lot of kitchen politics everywhere, you know, and that's what's been going on. I was a part of it for a very, very long time. So this is something that your regular audience have not seen on TV yet, not on Indian TV. And the kind of, you know, because of the internet and everything, there's a lot of exposure. People watch international shows, so they know that, you know, there is a show about politics, there's a show about whatever. I think this will put Indian television on a different level. And that is what we hope to do. That is what we really, really hope that, you know, people accept this show, because it's not your regular show. It's like Mr. Danish Khan said, it's very urban. It's very today. It's very in trend. So I hope that it changes Indian TV today, and we get to see more genres of television, right? Maybe you know, after a few years, maybe we'll get into politics or something on TV, I'm saying, not in real life. But, so I really, really want this show to be the game changer for Indian television. Yeah. मुझ पर हावी कौन सा रूप होता है? मैं दोनों में से कोई नहीं. मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ से डरती हूँ, वो है बिल्ली. अगर अभी आप मेरे सामने बिल्ली ले आए तो मैं यहाँ से भाग जाऊँगी. तो ऐसा डर मुझे सिर्फ बिल्ली से लगता है. और मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ. एक्चुअली मैं बहुत मूडी हूँ. तो माया में और मेरे में बहुत सारे डिफरेंसेस हैं और बहुत सारी सिमिलैरिटीज़ भी है, बट वो मेरे ख्याल से हर इंसान में है. हर इंसान में अच्छी और बुरी क्वालिटीज़ होती है, तो वैसे ही है.
जेनिफर, ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आज के दौर में जो टेलीविज़न स्टार्स को फेम मिलता है, जो कॉम्पनसेशन मिलता है, वो आपके समझ से जो बॉलीवुड स्टार्स होते हैं उनसे कोई खास ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं होता है? तो वो जो डिज़ायर होता है बड़े पर्दे पे काम करने का, वो कुछ हद तक कम हुआ है क्योंकि टेलीविज़न वो चीज़ ऑफर कर रहा है आज के ज़माने में?
देखिए, मैं एक एक्टर हूँ. मुझे एक्टिंग करना अच्छा लगता है. भले वो फिल्मों में हो, भले वो टीवी पर हो, भले वो थिएटर में हो, भले वो एड्स में हो. मुझे अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगती है. मुझे अच्छा काम अच्छा लगता है. उसका मीडियम कोई भी हो, उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. मुझे पहले से ही कभी ये नहीं था कि oh my God, I want to become a movie actor. I always loved acting, and whatever the medium may be, I'm happy with that. How do I define love? Love is something that should make you feel happy. I think love is equal to happiness. And if that is achieved, then love it is.
Love it is.
Oh gosh.
I'm more excited. Boomerang is an excited.
बहुत यार, आई मीन बहुत वेट करना पड़ा, सिर्फ ऑडियंस को नहीं, हमने भी बहुत वेट किया है, बट अच्छी चीज़ों के लिए वक्त लगता है, और फॉर मी इट हैज़ बीन एब्सोल्युटली वर्थ द वेट, एंड आई एम श्योर दैट फॉर एवरीबडी एल्स हु वॉचेस द शो दे गोना से द सेम थिंग, दैट फाइन वी वेटेड,
ये सबर का फल बहुत ही मीठा होने वाला है।
एग्जैक्टली